Sagittarius, here is your read. This message may be for you or someone that is in your energy. If this message does not pertain to you, only take the messages that does and leave the rest. Sagittarius, there's a situation here where you might have met someone while at work or out on work duties, or even working in the same workplace with this person. You and this person had mutual attraction for each other. You both were flirting while at work or while you were doing a job for this person, or vice versa. This person started to tempt you, started seducing you with their good looks and charm. You started to hook up with this person while at the same time you were married or had a partner or even a family. You started dating this person. This person is a third party that interfered with a marriage or family, or a partner that was supportive to you. This third party interference may have caused a breakup of a home, family, or marriage. Sagittarius, something is out of balance in your life, causing you lots of stress and anxiety. The message I'm getting here for you, Sagittarius, you have taken the wrong path. This person seducing you has caused a marriage and a family, caused you a marriage and a family. They tempted you and you took the wrong path. And because you have taken the wrong path, it led to turbulence and excess in your life. There is a situation in your life, Sagittarius, that is causing you some imbalance. You might be excessively or extremely drinking alcohol or doing drugs to heal yourself from all the mess that this third party has bring your way from you taking the wrong path. You have given in to temptation, Sagittarius. You could be an addict or addicted to drugs or alcohol, overindulgence, recklessness, and hastiness. That and this has caused an imbalance in your life. This person always thinks of instant gratification over their their future. They now are realizing that it is time for change or transition. They want to walk away from this situation. Something or someone they want to walk away from. Could be this third party that broke up or wrecked a family or a marriage or a home that they hook up with at work. This person is tired of all the disappointments, tired of feeling unfulfilled in this situation. They might have stayed with the person who they hook up with at work who wrecked a family. They are ready to walk away from all this. This person is dissatisfied with this mess they got themselves in. Dissatisfied with their life and needing to experience a higher purpose in their life. They thought that this situation were going to bring them love, wealth, and abundance. But now they are experiencing a feeling of exhaustion and are starting to feel that they must abandon, withdraw, or leave this situation behind. They are not happy. They are unhappy and unfulfilled in this relationship, this third party relationship who they have hooked up with either on the job or doing a job for this person or while met this person while out doing a job and they had a family. But they're not happy. They're unhappy and unfulfilled in this relationship. And they're thinking about walking away, leaving it, or this person behind. They thought that they would spend the rest of their life with this person. But they're experiencing loneliness within this situation. This person who seduced them broke broke up a family. This person they were hooking up with is now thinking about walking away because they are unfulfilled. The person who broke up this happy family or this family, broken home, came between a family that they hooked up with, is now thinking about walking away because they are unfulfilled. They thought they would spend the rest of their life with this person because in the very beginning of this relationship, this person was encouraging them to be their best. And they thought that they would grow old with this person after they break up a family or wrecked a marriage or whatever. They thought that they would grow old with this person, but they might have stuck in there because of codependency or because they were fearing being alone. They may have also had children with this hookup person. This person they were hooking up with that wrecked a family, they might have had children with this person and they felt stuck and they stuck around for the children. This person is trying to gather their emotional strength to walk away. You or this person is lacking motivation and is rushing your jobs, laziness, greedy, and misdirected activity, vanity, and is uninspired, have no passion This person may be stuck in a tedious job that they hate. They have little enthusiasm or putting less effort into their job, rushing the job. The quality standard, the quality standards of this person's business may be, if they own a business, may be low. And their reputation may be damaged as well because of this. Because they're rushing their job. They're not motivated. They may be a bit careless as well with their finances and overspending as well. Separation. You might be separated from a partner, yes, because this third party uh situation that you involved yourself in, the path that you took with this third party has wrecked this family. So you might be separated from a partner, a marriage, a family, because you made some bad choices in love. Someone is missing you. You could be missing this person, or someone is missing you and is thinking about you, yearning for you, but they are unsure of the future. This person you separated from is missing you. This person is having both inner and outer conflicts that they're trying to deal with. You and this person that you separated from are not communicating. And if you do communicate with this person, it's very short, very little. There is a break in communication between you two. The foundation for your relationship may be cut off, creating an imbalance between you and your partner, or this person you separated from, or your loved ones, your family, your loved ones. You or the person you separated from were avoiding responsibility for your action, taking responsibility for your action. You could have made a decision that were based on your desires for immediate gratification, but are now blaming others for the consequences of your actions that are catching up to you. There was disharmony and arguments between you and your family or marriage or in your relationship because of a bad choice that you made. What you and this person did creates a lot of what you and this third party person did creates a lot of confusion. There is a coldness within your relationship. You could have been very closely bonded with this marriage, with your marriage, with your family or partner, and some issues stand in your way, came in your way, and now you feel detached. And in order to work on this situation, you need to resolve these issues to once again form a bond with your marriage. You and your marriage and your family partner were tightly bonded, but this third party situation came in and damaged the marriage, damaged your family. And in order to resolve these issues, because that bond that you used to have is no longer there, you're not communicating with this person, with your marriage or your family. You may have had many suitors and were dating while you were married, or hooking up while you were married. You had too many choices. You were not honest. You were not honest with both your partner or the other people that are involved. These secrets were much too huge to be disclosed, and you were in fear. You or this person were having some conflict between colleagues or a business partner. You or this person may have experienced some unfairness where they were doing all the work in your relationship or at the workplace, or had to carry out all the family responsibility, or their teammates have lost all motivations. You may have started a romantic relationship at your workplace where you have a family at home, while you have a family at home. You may have started a romantic relationship at your workplace while having a family at home, and this creates trouble. You took the wrong path. You did not foresee the consequences of your action by taking this path. You did not know what was coming should you continue down this path. Your financial choices are very impulsive right now, and your long term financial security can be threatened. Sagittarius, are you making responsible choices, or are you looking for immediate gratification? Make sure that you understand what you are truly able to afford when it comes to your finance, Sagittarius. Someone is immature and lazy and is a poor prospect, a procrastinator. This person could be older in age but carries an immature energy. They are lacking commitment, greedy, and lazy, and is unmotivated. They don't learn from their failure. This person could be receiving some bad news as well, or this person is just bad news. This person is irresponsible. This person you separated from, or you might be having nightmares, could be feeling guilty, having deep seated fear, inner turmoil. They're having anxiety or depression, sadness, and is missing you. They want to reach out, trying to have hope. They're trying to have hope. They want to reach out to you, Sagittarius. Both you or this person is receiving what you need from this situation, from this marriage, from this partnership, relationship, and is moving on. And one of you is having closure issue, having issue moving forward. Mirror. You and this person are mirroring each other. This person is acting like a fool, acting reckless or foolish, disregarding the repercussion of their action, behaving carelessly, irrationally, gullible, just living in the moment and not planning. They need to be more aware so as not to be taken advantage of. They need to look out for anything that may sound too good to be true, especially when new lovers come into their life. Make sure that everything is what it seems to be. This person may be a bit too immature right now to handle a true loving relationship. They are bad news or is getting some bad news. They are paranoid, sarcastic, malicious, and is delinquent. You might be charming to this person or, in general, energetic, rebellious, and hot tempered at times. You're mirroring each other or reflecting on the relationship you used to have, reflecting on all the wounds. Caution. You need to find out more information about a situation or a person. Something is going on right now that you need to find out more situation about this situation that's going on or this person. This person has addictions, and I'm picking up that they have some health issues. You need to find out what health issues they have going on. This person has devil energy, and you need to spend more time. The more time you spend with this person, you become less human. Less human you become, Sagittarius. There's a person in your energy, devil energy. The more time you spend with them, the less human you become. This energy has taken captivity of you. They have addiction and are in their shadow self. This person has an attachment. You both are not happy together. You both are not happy. You may feel like this person took your individual power. You're feeling trapped for whatever reason in this situation, having feelings of entrapments. And you're having some feelings of entrapment, emptiness, and lack of fulfillment in your life. You or this person may have an obsession to materialism, excess. Everything is in excess. This person is lustful and is easily tempted. There may be hedonism and a selfish desire for gratification. This person might enjoy hooking up, could be addicted to drugs and alcohol. This might even be a codependent relationship situation. You are guarded, Sagittarius. You're guarded, trying to hang on in there. You are faced with many challenges, but you're resilient, persistent, faced by many problems that threatens to make you lose your balance. You have gone through a lot of trials with this situation, but are determined to overcome them. You have hope. Find out more information though about this situation, but don't overwork yourself. Find out about this person's health. That's what I'm picking up, okay? Sagittarius. I'm picking up that you need to find out more about this person's health. Confession. Someone has to tell you something, Sagittarius. This could be someone who has fallen from their throne. They once was very prosperous, then it was all taken away from them. It could be because this person was impatient or being too indulgent. This person may have gambled too far too and overstretch their self a bit. This person may have taken shortcut as well that led to their ruined. The person who want to tell you something. This energy that has a confession to tell you is greedy, possessive, materialistic, and they exploit people. This person was too focused on material and only understood the cost of things and not values. Their definition of success and happiness is only determined by outer appearance and not by the true values that security and stability can bring them. This energy might be working with a team of people on a project or is in alliance with this group of people doing some apprenticeship. They shared the same goal. This team is going well. The team that they're working in is going well. This greedy person is part of a team with a person who is charming and romantic or is a mediator. And there's a feminine as well who is a part of this team that is independent. This feminine is independent, successful, and have achieved great material securities. This team, there's a team that this person is in, and that team is going good. And this could be somebody in your energy, Sagittarius, and what's going on in their life. It doesn't have to be in your life per se. This could be someone that is in their life. This is what's going on. Sagittarius, there's health issues here with someone, either you or someone that is in your energy. And like I told you before, I picked up that you need to go, you or someone else needs to go check their health. Health issues could arrive. This is again is in your energy now. It's in your read right now. Health issues could arrive. I'm picking up Sagittarius that you or this person that is in your energy need to go check your health. I'm picking up an STD as well. STD as well. So check your health, okay? Check your health. because you could be also greatly burdened and have too many responsibilities, and you need to learn to say no. And the stress from all these responsibility and all these burdens could take you into burned out, and also give you all different kind of health issues as well. So definitely check for an STD, or advise someone else that is in your energy to go and check themselves, and also to keep track of their health, okay? High blood pressure, those things. Um, Sagittarius, manifest. Tell the universe exactly what you want, okay? To manifest, you have to get away from all negative environment, negative people, and get into a calm state and tell the universe exactly what it is you want, okay? Tell the universe exactly what it is that you want to manifest, okay? Get somewhere quiet, okay? Away from all negativity. It can't be toxic, okay? Sagittarius, this is your message. Not all the messages here is going to pertain to you. So only take what does pertains to you and leave the rest. Do check your health. That is coming up really. Pick up health problems. Okay? Pick it up really. 2 times it comes up in your read. So do check your health. Sagittarius, please go ahead, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Sagittarius, I am sending you much blessings, much love, and Sagittarius, please comment down below, but please keep it positive, okay? Thank you so much for all the positivity, for the support you have given to this channel. Please hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Love you, Sagittarius. Mwah.